A factory reset erases all personal data, apps, and settings, restoring your Android phone to its original, out of the box state. It's useful for resolving persistent software issues, preparing your phone for resale, or enhancing data privacy. Performing a reset is essentially a nuclear option for privacy, wiping the phone completely clean. Google Play Protect statistics show that resets block 99% of malware post-wipe. Factory resetting your phone will delete everything, including photos, videos, contacts, and app data. Backup important information to Google Drive or your phone manufacturer's cloud service, like Samsung's Smart Switch. Android 15 enhances this with automated backup verification to prevent accidental data loss, and Google One integration for seamless app and settings restoration post-reset. A 2025 Android Authority survey indicates 20% of users forget backups, leading to data loss. This is the simplest method. Go to your phone's Settings app, then navigate to System, Reset Options, Erase All Data, Factory Reset. You'll need to enter your PIN, password, or biometric information to proceed. This method is standard across most Android devices, including Google Pixel and Samsung Galaxy phones. Android 15 on Google Pixel devices has been reported to have a 15% faster reset process due to storage algorithm optimization. Use recovery mode when you can't access the settings menu, such as if your phone is frozen. First, power off your phone completely. Then press and hold the power button and volume up button simultaneously. This combination varies by device, so check your specific model. Once in recovery mode, use the volume buttons to navigate to Wipe Data Factory Reset and press the power button to select it. Then select Format Data to perform a complete wipe of all user data. Be sure to have at least 80% battery life remaining to prevent your phone from becoming bricked during the process. This advanced method uses Android Debug Bridge, or ADB, and Fast Boot tools for factory resetting your Android device. It's designed for experienced users who need technical control. First, install the ADB and Fast Boot tools on your computer. Enable USB debugging in your phone's developer options. Then connect your phone to the computer using a USB cable. Use these key commands: ADB Reboot Bootloader to enter Fast Boot mode, Fast Boot Devices to verify connection, Fast Boot Flash Recovery to install recovery, and ADB Sideload to install zip packages. After flashing a custom recovery using Fast Boot, boot into recovery mode to access the Wipe Data Factory Reset option in the menu. Be very careful with this method, as incorrect commands can permanently damage your device. Only use it for brick devices or when standard resets fail. Always back up your data first. Android 10 and later versions enable data encryption by default, scrambling your data to prevent unauthorized recovery. Recent updates mandate two-factor authentication for factory resets on devices with Find My Device enabled. This feature adds an extra security layer, preventing unauthorized remote factory resets. These security measures ensure that your data remains protected even after the factory reset process. OEM manufacturers like Samsung and Google Pixel offer specialized features for factory resets. Samsung's One UI 7 includes Smart Switch, which automatically backs up your data before performing a reset to prevent data loss. Google Pixel devices benefit from Android 15's optimizations, resulting in faster reset times through improved storage algorithms. Users report completing resets in under 10 minutes on modern Pixel models. Always check your device's manual or the manufacturer's website for the most up-to-date instructions and features specific to your model. Once the factory reset is complete, your phone will restart as if it were brand new. You'll see initial setup screens prompting you to select language, connect to Wi-Fi, and insert a SIM card if needed. Next, follow the on-screen prompts to set up your Google account. You'll need to sign in with your email and password to access Google services and enable cloud backups. Then, restore your backed up data from your Google account or device backup. This includes your apps, settings, photos, and contacts, which will be downloaded and restored automatically. After that, reinstall any additional apps from the Google Play Store. You'll need to log back into some apps manually since login credentials aren't saved in backups for security reasons. This setup process can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour or more, depending on your internet speed and the amount of data being restored. Once complete, your phone will be good as new.